Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 9 to 15, 2023. But before we begin, promote ko lang ang Virgo bracelet. Ayan. So, this is for alignment ng Virgo energies. Meron tong Amazonite, turquoise, at moss agate. So, ito ay available sa aking Shopee shop. Link on the description. Okay? So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And a reminder, gamitin lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let us see Virgo. Ano yung energy ninyo? Page of Pentacles. I feel like you are working on something, a project. Sarili mo lang to no? Pwedeng nagre-research ka na, pinag-aaralan mo. This can be a new business na gusto mong gawin. And you are putting your energy into it. Can be a new career, a new job. Let's see your challenge. Knight of Pentacles. I think ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano ka maging consistent. Oo, consistency is the key. Halimbawa, meron tayong goal. Example na lang, we want to lose weight. Gusto natin magpapayat. And syempre, kailangan meron tayong routine na gagawin, no? And hindi natin makukuha agad yung goal natin kung hindi tayo consistent sa pag-exercise or sa pagkain ng tama, no? For a certain goal na gusto nating ma-achieve, a certain weight na gusto nating ma-achieve. So, that is your challenge sa'yo, sa sarili mo na paano ka magiging consistent to pursue your dreams. Your opportunities, masyadong marami. Marami kang opportunities to the point na nalilito ka na which one to take. So, hindi naman kasi lahat to makakabuti para sa'yo. So, mas maganda na kalmahin mo yung sarili mo at pag-aralan, no? Kung alin dito yung best for you. Kahit isa-isahin mo yan. Yung pros and cons, pwedeng isulat mo lahat ng mga pros, ano yung benefits mo dito sa ganitong kumpanya or sa ganitong business, sa ganitong trabaho, ano naman yung mga cons. Let's see your blessing. Knight of Cups. There's an offer of love or maaring meron kang matatanggap na offer from someone na gusto mo. So, pwedeng offer sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Let us clarify the Page of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Ooh. You are, I think, dedicated ka talaga dito sa gusto mong i-pursue or sa sinisimulan mo. Pwedeng nagsimula na to nung recently. And this is going to give you financial stability. Someone who can really take care of themselves. Oo, very independent yung energy ninyo, Virgo. What is the Knight of Pentacles? The Page of Swords. And ang challenge din sa inyo is yung may mga times na naniniwala ka sa sabi-sabi ng iba or influence ng iba or yung mga comments ng iba, yung what other people thinks about you. So, wag mong hayaan na maapektuhan ka doon. Focus on your goals. Keep your eye on the prize. What is the Seven of Cups? Page of Cups. So, I think there's an opportunity for love para sa inyo, Virgo. If you're wanting love, makukuha mo yung katangian na gusto mo sa isang tao. Ako mukhang maraming gustong kumuha ng attention mo. Kaya siguro nalilito ka. You may be connecting with multiple people. Pwede rin tong sa career, sa trabaho na pinagkakaguluhan ka or pinag-aagawan ka ng mga kumpanya. Oo. Pwede kasing nag-apply ka sa maraming companies and then lahat nakakuha ka ng offer. So, ngayon nalilito ka na alin ba? Alin? Oo. You are feeling relaxed with your finances right now. O, maganda yan. Oo. Yeah, kasi yung mga pangangailangan mo nakukuha mo eh. Your needs are all met. But it doesn't mean na kailangan maging kampante ka na, 'di ba? Meron kang babalikan na business or career, trabaho in the past na sa tingin mo worth it siya na ipagpatuloy ngayon. May gift. Pwedeng meron kang matatanggap na regalo or incentive, bonus sa trabaho. Or maaring ito yung pag-e-explore mo ng ng talents and yung mga gifts sa'yo ng universe na ito yung talent mo, dito ka magaling, so pwede mo siyang i-explore, meron kang matutuklasan na abilities mo na pwede mong i-explore. Sobrang busy nyo, yung iba hindi na kayo makatulog. Oo, with the 9 of Swords, ang dami nyo iniisip. Siguro maraming nagde-demand sa inyo ngayon na, ano na yung kailangan mong gawin. But you know what? You should be the one na nagmamanage or in control of your time, no? Huwag mong hayaan na sila yung magdemand sa'yo. Kasi kung gusto ka talaga nila, maghihintay sila kung kailan ka available. Mahirap naman na kunin lahat. Tapos, in the end, ikaw yung mahihirapan mag-organize ng schedule mo. 'Di ba? Let's see your love. Memories. Uy, may person from the past na hihingi ng tawad. Ito yung nagkahiwalay na kayo. Pwede rin naman tong kasi sabi rito, you both need time and space to figure things out. So, possible na binigyan nyo ng space yung isa't isa, although hindi pa kayo totally talaga na separated. But, maaring meron dito nakarealize ng kanyang pagkakamali. Nagsusorry. May reunion. Working things out. And I think this is going to be a more solid relationship, I think. Kasi pag-iisipan talaga to kung babalikan pa. So kung aayusin, i-work out yung relationship, then definitely this is going to be a serious type of commitment na. Kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? Yes, being kind to yourself, know your limitations, mag-set ka ng boundaries mo, and also take care of yourself. Self-love, self-care, diba? Yan. So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.